Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the how to write the electronic configuration of a given element and how to determine or identify the valency of any element. Clear? Question what here first? First we take the question, that is how to write the electronic configuration. What here? The electronic configuration of following element clear? Question is what here? How to write the electronic configuration of the following element. So we take the different types of element. First A called as the what here? Carbon, symbol C. B we take the nitrogen, symbol N. C we take the oxygen, symbol O. Then D we take the fluorine, symbol F. Then E we take the sodium, symbol Na. Then F we take the symbol magnesium, Mg. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. This sixth element, it means how to write the electronic configuration of these different types of element. You know, with the help of above principle or diagram, we identify the electronic configuration of each 118 element. Clear? So out of this 118 element in the periodic table, we take the only 6 element. Is called, one is called as carbon, symbol C, nitrogen, symbol N, oxygen, symbol O, then D, fluorine, symbol F, then sodium, symbol Na, and then magnesium, symbol Mg. So with the help of above principle, means it is diagram. This diagram helps to us to identify or to write the electronic configuration of given element. क्लियर है बेटा? वो डायग्राम मैंने आपको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में समझाया था, वो एसएस वाले एसएस, पीएस पीएस, डीपीएस डीपीएस, एफडीपीएस एफडीपीएस. तो ये वो डायग्राम की हेल्प लेके हम लोग एलिमेंट से क्या निकाल सकते हैं? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन को निकाल सकते हैं. क्लियर है? फॉर एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट वी टेक द एलिमेंट कार्बन. हाउ टू टेक द एलिमेंट कार्बन? So how to write the electronic configuration of carbon? So we take with the help of above principle diagram, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, because the carbon have the atomic number is 6. What here? Atomic number is 6, whereas the nitrogen have the atomic number is what here? The 7. Clear? Then oxygen have the atomic number is what here? 8. Then fluorine have the atomic number is 9. Then sodium have the atomic number is 11, Mg have the atomic number is what here? 12. Clear? Now, how to write the electronic configuration of carbon? So, carbon have the atomic number is 6. It means this carbon contain a 6 electron. You know, what is electronic configuration? Electronic configuration means the distribution or addition of electron into shell and subshell, called as the electronic configuration. It means the carbon have the 6 electron. This 6 electron, because the atomic number of carbon is 6, that's why this carbon have the 6 electron. You know, the atomic number equal to the what? Number of electron or proton. Clear? So the carbon have the how many electrons? 6 electron, because the atomic number of carbon is 6. Okay, so 6 is the atomic number is carbon. Now we take electronic configuration of carbon, what here? Symbol C. Clear? Atomic number is 6. So what we get? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So it is the electronic configuration of carbon. Clear? Similarly, what is the atomic number of nitrogen? 7, and it have the electronic configuration what here? So we take the nitrogen, symbol M, atomic number is 7. It means atomic number of 7, that's why the nitrogen have the how many electrons? 7 electron. So we take the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7. That's why the electron in a nitrogen is 7. So the electronic configuration of nitrogen is what here? 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Next, what we take the next here? Oxygen, symbol O, atomic number 8 with the what we take the electron configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 4 plus 4 8. Next, we take the fluorine, symbol F, atomic number 9. That's why it contains how many electron? 9 electron. Now we take the electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, 5 plus 4 9. These electron configuration are right with the help of the which principle? अब्बो प्रिंसिपल डायग्राम, जो आपको लिख कर दिया पिछले लेक्चर में, क्या था वो? एस एस पी एस पी एस डी पी एस डी पी एस, जो डायग्राम थी डायग्राम की हेल्प से आपको ये एलिमेंट क्या निकालना, इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्फिगरेशन निकालना है बेटा आपको, ठीक है? फ्लोरीन, द नेक्स्ट व्हाट हियर? सोडियम, सिंबल Na, atomic number 11. It means this 11 electron are added into shell and subshell. It is called as shell, it is called as subshell. So similarly, what 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1, 6 plus 4 10 and this one 11. Next we take the what here? Magnesium, symbol Mg, number 12. So we take the configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and then 3s2. 6 plus this 6, what we take the 12. So in this way we write the electronic configuration of any element with the help of above principal diagram. You know diagram? We do the first orbital SS, PS, PS, DPS, DPS, FDPS, FDPS. Now we take the number of S first, then S, then P, then D and then F. Then valency of the S have the 2, P have the 6, D have the 10 and F have the 14. वो डायग्राम का आपको यूज़ करना है और ये एलिमेंट क्या निकलना है? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन निकालना है डायग्राम का यूज़ करके बेटा। आप कोई भी एलिमेंट लो, वो डायग्राम से आप किसी भी एलिमेंट क्या निकाल सकते हो? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन। और इफ़ यू नो the electronic configuration of any element, we also identify the valency as well as the oxidation state of element. अगर आपको किसी भी एलिमेंट का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन राइट करना अगर आ गया आपको, ठीक है, अगर आपको समझ में अंडरस्टैंड हो गया, तो आप किसी भी एलिमेंट की वैलेंसी और ओएस कॉल्ड एज द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट आपको क्या याद आना चाहिए? First we memorize the how to write the electronic configuration of any element with the help of above principle. And if you know the electronic configuration of any element, now we write the or we identify the valency as well as the OS called as the oxidation state of any element. Clear beta? Now how to write the or what is the valency of the given element? Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium and magnesium. First of all, what is the valency? So now we take the point here. What is the valency? What do you take beta here? What is the word valency? So valency means what here? So valency is defined as the combined capacity of any element called as valency. But here the combined capacity of any element called as the valency. It means the valency is a very important factor if you write the chemical reaction of any element. If the any atom which have the valency is 1, so these atoms are bonded to those element which have the valency is 1. याद रखो बेटा, अगर आपको किसी भी केमिस्ट्री की केमिकल रिएक्शंस को बैलेंस करना है, तो फर्स्ट वी इफ़ यू नो द वैलेंसी ऑफ एनी एलिमेंट, नाउ वी इजीली आइडेंटिफाई द केमिकल रिएक्शंस। क्लियर? यानी अगर आपको केमिकल रिएक्शन बैलेंस करना है, तो सबसे पहले मेन चीज़ क्या याद रखना पड़ेगा आपको? वैलेंसी। क्लियर? इफ द वैलेंसी ऑफ एनी एटम इज 1, सो दिस एटम इज बॉन्डेड टू और बॉन्ड फॉर्म of those element which have the valency is 1. क्योंकि आपको पता है इक्वल वैलेंसी के एटम आपस में ज्वाइन होते हैं। क्लियर है? इट में बी फॉर्म द कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड, आयोनिक बॉन्ड, मेटालिक बॉन्ड और हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, डिपेंड अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ एटम। क्लियर है? So what is valency? So valency is defined as the combined capacity of any element called as a valency. Now identify the valency of the following element. If you write the or identify the valency of any element, first we write the symbol or name of element, its electronic configuration, and after that we identify the valency of any element. Clear beta? First we take the carbon, symbol C, atomic number is 6, its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now in the valency identification of the valency, we does not use the 1s orbital because the 1s orbital is inertial and the inertial electron does not use in the valency. Only we take the valence electron, and this valence electron is also called as the outermost electron. If you identify the valency of any element, now we take the only outermost shell or a valence shell or a valence electron. We does not take a inner shell electron or inner shell orbital. So 1s called as what here? So 1s2 is called inner shell orbital. This inner shell orbital does not take in the valency, only the outermost shell. This called as what here? The outermost shell take in the valency. Clear beta? So question is what here? So how to identify the valency of carbon, then nitrogen, then oxygen, then fluorine, then sodium, then magnesium. Clear? First of all we write the symbol C, carbon, number 6. Now atomic number what here? Configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This 1s2 does not take part in the valency because the 1s orbital is the inner shell. Only we take the valency in what here? Outermost shell. So the 1s to 2s, what we take the 2 plus 2, 4. It means if you write the valency of any element, now we take the octet rule. What is the octet rule? Octet rule means any outermost shell of an element which have the 8 electron. अभी यहाँ कितने outermost में 4 है बेटा. अभी 4 लॉस भी करेगा और 4 गेन भी करेगा. लॉस की चार्ज क्या आता है? एनी एलिमेंट टू लॉस इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्ज पॉजिटिव एंड एनी एलिमेंट एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन गेनिंग कॉल्ड एज चार्ज निगेटिव. सो एक रूल होता है बेटा, रूल क्या याद रखिएगा आप? अगर किसी एलिमेंट में इलेक्ट्रॉन outermost शेल में 1 to 3 है, सो 1 to 3 वो इजीली लॉस कर देगा. अगर 4 है outermost शेल में तो ये इट में भी लॉस भी कर सकता है और गेन भी कर सकता है. अगर ये 4 लॉस किया तो चार्ज क्या आएगा बेटा? लॉस किया तो +4. अगर गेन किया तो चार्ज क्या आएगा? -4. क्लियर? सो डिपेंड अपॉन द व्हाट हियर? द चार्ज. ओके, डिपेंड अपॉन द चार्ज. Okay, now how to identify the valency of this element? So this element, it means that this one is called as a which shell? Inner shell orbital. So inner shell orbital electron does not take part in the valency. We only take the what? Outermost shell. This 1s2, 2s2 called as what here? This 1s2, 2s2 is called as what here? Outermost shell. What here? Outermost shell. And these outermost shell orbital take part in the what here? The valency. So in the outermost shell of valence shell, it contains 4 electron. These 4 electron are called as what is 4 valence electron. So this, अब आपको रूल याद रखना है बेटा आपको. अब अगर किसी की outermost shell में, किसी एलिमेंट की outermost shell में इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 to 3 है तो इजीली लॉस कर देगा. अब लॉस करने चार्ज क्या आएगा? प्लस आएगा, और गेन करेंगे तो चार्ज क्या आएगा? माइनस आएगा. ठीक है. सो इट इज अ 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन, इट्स पॉसिबिलिटी इट लॉस ऑफ 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो चार्ज व्हाट हियर? इफ यू लॉस दिस 4 electron, charge will be what here? Positive, and gain of 4 electron, charge what here? Negative. That's why the valency of carbon is 4. What here? The valency of carbon is 4. Why? Because it easily loss of 4 electron and easily gain electron. So if this gain electron, this 4 plus 4, 8. It means the octet complete. So if you identify the valency of any element, we know first we memorize the rule that's called as what here? Octet rule. What is octet rule? So it is defined as those rule, it means the outermost shell contain 8 electron. In any element, outermost shell or last shell or valence shell. This three is same. Outermost shell is called as the what here? Last shell or valence shell contain 8 electron. It is called as the octet complete element. Or if any element which have the octet is complete, that's why it is a stable element. It does not lose an electron further. Okay? So 6 electron, outermost shell is 4 electron. For easily lost on any element which lost electron or remaining electron is 0 or half filled or full filled, it is also act as what है stable element. अभी 4 लॉस करेगा तो outermost shell में 0 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो जाएगा, तो क्या उसका चार्ज क्या आएगा +4, और अगर 4 ये 4 है बेटा और 4 गेन करेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा 8. दिस गेनिंग कॉल्ड इज द माइनस एंड लॉसिंग कॉल्ड इज व्हाट हियर द प्लस. दिस 4 इज कॉल्ड इज व्हाट हियर वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन. Second, nitrogen contain outermost shell 5 electron. This does not take part because inner shell. So 5 electron. Rule is that only the 1, 2, 3 electron in outermost shell are lost. But have the 5 electron, it does not lose a 5 electron. It gain a 3 electron to complete the octet. Clear? So this 5 plus 3, 8. So how many electron gain 3? This 3 is called as the valency of what here? The nitrogen. And this -1. Why -1? -3 because the minus charge means it gain a 3 electron. So charge what here negative and loss electron charge positive. Next, oxygen have the outermost electron what here? This 2 plus 4, 6. It accept how many electron? It lost 6 electron? No, it gain a 2 electron to complete the octet. Means what here? -2. Why -2? Because its a valency is what here 2 and it accept the 2 electron charge here -2. Next, fluorine which have the valence electron is what here 7. It lost a 7 electron or gain 1 electron to complete the octet, means at 8 electron. So it gain 1 electron -1. So valency is 1. Next, sodium have the one is outermost shell. It's also outermost shell. 6 plus 2 octet complete. It does not take part in the valency, remaining 1. So is easily lost a electron 1. Because it does not gain a 7 electron to complete octet, to easily lose an electron. So what we get a +1. So 1 is called as what here? The valency of sodium, and +1 indicate a loss of 1 electron. Last, magnesium, it have the 8 electron octet complete, remaining outermost shell contain 2 electron. It does not accept the 6 electron to complete octet, to easily loss a 2 electron. So what we take a loss here? +2. So in this way we write the electronic configuration of this element and identify the valency. What is valency? So valency means the combined capacity of any element. So how to write the valency of any element? So if you write the valency of any element, first we memorize the electronic configuration of element. Second rule, first we only take a outermost electron, valence electron or what here last electron in the valency. तो ये जो 2s to 2p है कौन सा शेल है बेटा? आउटरमोस्ट शेल है. इसी एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन को टेक पार्ट करते हैं वैलेंसी में, और जो 1s के इलेक्ट्रॉन को टेक पार्ट नहीं करते. अब अगर आपको वैलेंस आइडेंटिफाई करना है तो पहले आपको आउटरमोस्ट शेल में ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. ऑक्टेट मतलब 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन. अभी यहाँ पे 4 है, अब 4 लेगा तो क्या होगा? 8 हो जाएगा. 8 मीन्स ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट. सो 4 इज द वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन. नेक्स्ट, नाइट्रोजन 5 है और 5 लॉस करेंगे, 3 गेन करेगा ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करने के लिए. 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन आउटरमोस्ट शेल कंप्लीट करने के लिए वो इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने गेन करेगा? 3 गेन करेगा. तो 3 गेन करेगा, 3 क्या होगी? वैलेंसी होगी. यहाँ पर 6 है, 6 लॉस करेगा, 2 गेन करेगा ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट के लिए, 2 गेन करेगा तो वैलेंसी इज 2. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, फ्लोरीन के अंदर 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करना है, कितने गेन करेगा? 1. 7 plus 1 8. So 1 is the valency. Next, what is the sodium? Sodium is what here? The outermost shell contain only one electron. This 6 plus 2 octet is complete. So it easily lost 1 electron. It does not accept the 7 electron. That's why the valency of sodium is 1. Remaining magnesium which have the outermost shell contain 2 electron. This 2 electron does not easily accept the 6 electron, to it easily lost a 2 electron. So the valency of magnesium what here? 2. So in this way we write the electronic configuration of any element and identify the valency of any element. Clear? Okay? तो ये आपको अच्छे से याद रखना है बेटा. क्लियर? थैंक यू सो मच.